Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to pick up and activate a flashlight using raycasting in JavaScript. And I am sorry if you hear any background noises because there is a pretty decently bad storm going on down here, but just thought I'd let you warn you about that. Alright, so first you're going to have I have my controller in scene, first person controller, a terrain. I went to edit render settings and I turned down the ambient light to make it the scene seem pretty dark, and there's just one of Unity skyboxes. And on my first person controller under the main camera I added a spotlight, and then I added this to the main camera, then position it at 0, 0, 0, and then turn the rotation from 90 and the x-axis to 0. So that makes it look like this, and you can mess around with this however you want it. And then I also made a flashlight model, which, I mean, if you're really actually making a game, you're going to want it to be an actual decent looking flashlight. This is just a cylinder from Unity, and I made a tag for it called pickup. And then so create a tag and tag it pickup, because we're going to need to reference that in the script. So we're going to press first person controller. Sorry, this is when I was tweaking the script that I'm getting ready to show you. I'm going to create a new script. It's going to be JavaScript. I can't promise that I will do C# in the future, but I am starting to learn it. I just learned Java first because it's a little more simple. So as I progress, I may start doing more C# scripts. But for this tutorial, we're going to do JavaScript. Okay, so we want the new behavior script, and we're going to name it light pickup. Create an ad. Then we are going to open it in monodevelop. Alright, so we're going to start off with a variable called this model, which is going to be our flashlight model, aka the cylinder, as type game object. Another variable, we want this one to be called my light. This is going to be the spotlight, and this is type light. Then we want a private variable. It's called getLight, and it is type boolean, which is equal to false. Oh. I cannot spell, I'm sorry. If you don't know what a boolean is, because I didn't understand it at first, a boolean is a true, false, yes, no idea. See, as we're setting as false. All a boolean is setting true and false statements in your script. Alright, let's go to the function start. In function start, we want to say my light.enabled is equal to false, because we have not picked up. So we're saying is when the game starts, our flashlight is not going to be functioning at first, so it will not be turned on. We have not picked it up yet. So then we're going to start out writing the Raycast variable. Forward is equal to transform direction parentheses vector3 dot forward, and then we close that up with a semicolon too. So we want another variable that's type hit. We'll name it hit, and it is type Raycast hit. Raycast hit. Then we want if physics dot raycast parenthesis transform dot position comma FWD for forward and comma hit. So we're saying we hit the object, and we are now able to pick it up. Under that, put 2 curly brackets. Then we want to say if hit dot distance is greater than or equal to 5.0, or you can tweak that. Depends. This is how close you're going to be to the object before you can pick it up. This number. And then we want to say and hit dot collider dot game object dot tag and it's tagged pickup. This is why we tagged it pickup. 2 more curly brackets. Then we want to say get light is equal to true. But to get it to be true, we have to press a certain key. And this is where we write if input dot input dot get key down. We want the key to get down to be E. 2 more curly brackets. Then we want to say we want to destroy this model, because so it makes it look like we picked it up. It takes it out of our game view scene, and we get the idea that it picked it up. Then we want to say, then if we destroy it, we want to pick up the light if we're destroying it from the scene. That's the idea of it. So we want to say my light dot enabled is equal to true. Okay, then we want to come over here, go down these 2 curly brackets you leave, go down these 2, kind of space out if you like, depends how organized you are. I'm very organized. And then we want to say else in 2 curly brackets. Get light is equal to false, and my light dot enabled dot light dot enabled is equal to false. Then we want to save it. Not save as, I'm sorry. Save. Check the console, make sure there's no errors. And we are good. Now this is already added to the first person controller actually, so we don't need to. Then we go to the script, and we have 2 public game objects. Well, one of them is just preset for light, but it is still part of the game. So this model is going to be our flashlight model, so we want to find flashlight model and add it. We come over here to my light, and then we want to choose the player light. So now when we test it, I press E, nothing happens. I get close to the object, press E, it picks it up, and now we have a flashlight. This is good for a horror type game, which is, I input the Raycatch Games. Let me go and explain what we are. I have not explained that yet. I just wanted to give you the tutorial first. But Raycatch Games, we are indie development group. I just put together the team. We are talking about making a horror game. So on this channel we will be giving you tutorials for Unity, and we will be giving you updates on our game. I'm the lead programmer, and I'm the one who came up with the idea for Raycatch Games. I'm the one who put together the team. So yeah, but keep in touch for that if you're interested. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.